Do you think English is only for a student? Do you think English is only for jobs and interview? Then let me tell you something important. English is also for housewife. Yes, whether you are cooking in the kitchen, helping your children study, shopping in the market, or watching YouTube video, English can make your life easier and more confident. Today is day 15 of our 30 days English Fluency challenge, and this video is especially for housewives who want to learn practice English for daily life. Hello everyone and my dear friends, I am Nigam from Bihar. Welcome back to day 15 of our English Fluency challenge. Today we will learn simple English sentence that every housewife can use in daily life. No difficult grammars, no complicated vocabulary, only useful English. Now I start with morning routine. Okay? Let's start with some daily use sentence. Repeat after me. Good morning. Yes, good morning. I am making breakfast. I am making breakfast. I am cleaning the house. I am cleaning the house. Please wake up. Please wake up. This time for breakfast. Very good. This time for breakfast. Good job. You keep practice. Kitchen English. Now let's learn English for the kitchen. Please bring some waters. Please bring some waters. The food is ready. The food is ready. I am cooking vegetables. I am cooking vegetables. Please wash your hand. When you are eating, please wash your hand. Dinner is ready. Dinner is ready. These are real life sentences you can use every day. Yes, my dear friends. Stay till the end because I will give you a simple 1-minute English speaking exercise that housewife can practice while doing household work. Okay? Now let's talk about part 3. Talking to children. Yes, talking to children. Many mothers want to speak simple English with their children, but they don't say. So let me try this sentence. Have you completed your homework? Have you completed your homework? Please study carefully. Please study carefully. Keep your books properly. Keep your books properly. Well done. Well done. I am proud of you. If you are practice with me, then I also proud of you. Yes, you. You watching my video? I'm saying with you. I'm told you. Yes. Practice this daily if you are a housewife. Now let's talk about shopping English. Imagine you are shopping. Yes, Use this simple sentence. How much does it cost? How much does it cost? I would like to buy this. I want to buy this. Do you have another colors? Do you have another colors? That's too expensive. That's too expensive. Thank you. Thank you. This simple English is powerful English if you practice every day. Daily English conversation practice. Now repeat after me. How are you? How are you? I am fine. I am fine. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am doing household work. I am doing household work. I am learning English. I am learning English. Excellent. Keep practice. Let me tell you something and listen carefully. Many women think I'm too old to learn English. I don't have enough time. English is difficult, but that's not true. If you can learn new recipe, if you can manage a family, if you can teach your children, you can learn English too. All you need is 10 minutes of daily English practice, okay? So don't think I can't learn English. You think I learn English. That is difference between your mindset. Keep think positive. Now here's the 1 minute English exercise. Here's today's special exercise. While doing household work, describe your action in English. Let me show you some examples. I am cooking food. I am cooking food. I am washing cloth. I am washing cloth. I am cleaning the room. I am cleaning the room. I am making tea. I am making tea. Do this for 1 minute every day. Your confidence will improve quickly. So this was day 15 of our 30 days English Fluency Challenge. Today's mission: learn 10 daily use English sentence. Speak English while doing household work. Practice the 1 minute exercise and comment, I can learn English too. And if you completed today's challenge, then comment also day 15 completed. I will see you tomorrow in day 16. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep speaking English. Today is so hot and look that sun.